How to connect LinkedIn account using custom app method with BitSocial. So, this is the BitSocial dashboard. Navigate to the Accounts section. Click on the Connect Account button. Now we see different types of social media platforms. There are two options for connecting a LinkedIn account. Now, click on the Custom App button under LinkedIn. To connect your LinkedIn account, you need both the app key and app secret. Then navigate to the LinkedIn Developers page and click on Create App button. Input your app name. Now, add your LinkedIn page. Then, upload your app's logo. After that, click on the Create App button. Then go to the Settings. Click on the Verify button under Settings section. Click on the Generate URL button to generate your verification URL. Finally, click on the Verify button. Your app is now successfully verified with your LinkedIn page. Then go to the Products section. Here, you need to request access to the 3 LinkedIn APIs, Share on LinkedIn, Advertising API, and sign in with LinkedIn using OpenID Connect. Then navigate to the Auth section. Click on Add Redirect URL button. Now get back to the LinkedIn account section. Copy this redirect URL and paste into the Authorized Redirect URL section. Then click on Update button. Now copy client ID and paste it into the app key field. Copy primary client ID and paste it into the app secret field. Now click on the Add button. After adding successfully, click on Connect button. Now sign in to your LinkedIn account. Next, click on Allow option. Your LinkedIn account will be displayed in the pop-up. Click on the Save button. You will see a LinkedIn account connected in BitSocial account section. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.